This is a deep, slow burn motivational story about procrastination, self doubt, and the powerful lie. We tell ourselves, I'll do it tomorrow. It was a quiet morning. The alarm rang at 6 a.m. Ravi heard it, but did not move. He slowly turned to the other side and said softly, I'll do it tomorrow. 5 minutes later, the alarm rang again. I'll do it again. He whispered half asleep that one sentence, I will do it tomorrow, had become his best friend. Ravi was not lazy. He had dreams, big dreams, but his problem was simple. He always believed tomorrow would be better than today. Ravi wanted to wake up early, he wanted to study, he wanted to work on his goal, but every time the moment came and he said, आज थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लेता हूँ कल फुल एनर्जी के साथ करूँगा Tomorrow felt safe. Tomorrow had no pressure. Tomorrow had no pressure. Today was uncomfortable. Day passed, week passed, and tomorrow kept moving further away. Ravi's notebook was full of plans, but his day were empty of action. Each night before sleeping, he promised himself, बस एक time कल से सब change. Each morning he broke that promise. One day Ravi stood in front of the mirror. He looked at his own eyes and asked, मैं इतना पीछे क्यों? The mirror had no answer. Only silence. That silence was heavy. It carried all the tomorrow he wanted. That night, Ravi again said, I'll do it. I'll do it tomorrow. But deep inside, something felt different. A small voice asked him, अगर कल भी नहीं हुआ तो Ravi ignored it. He turned off the light and tomorrow waited again. Dream, written, action, delay. Ravi loved writing plans. He bought a new notebook. Every few months, on the first page, he always wrote in a big letters, My dream, below. That were long list. Wake up early, get fit, learn new skills, get a better job, make parents proud. Reading those pages made him feel good. It felt like progress, but it was only paper. Every night Ravi opened the notebook, he read his goal slowly. He imagined himself successful, people clapping, parents smiling, life finally sorted. Then he closed the notebook and said, Kal start karunga. Ravi believed motivation was enough. If he felt inspired, work would happen automatically. But motivation came and went. Discipline never came because discipline needed action and action scared him. Sometime Ravi tried to start. He opened his laptop and he opened a book. He opened a book. 5 minutes later, phone notification arrived. One video became 10. 10 minutes became 1 hour. And once again the day ended. At night, guilt visited him. It sat quietly beside his bed. तो फिर नहीं कर पाया. Guilt whisper Ravi covered his ears with excuses. आज थकान थी, मूड नहीं था. कल पक्का. Slowly Ravi started lying, not to others but to himself. He started believing his own excuses. That was the most dangerous part. One Sunday afternoon, Ravi met an old friend. That friend had started with him. Same dream, same resources, but today that friend was ahead. Not because he was smarter, but because he started. Ravi smiled, he congratulated him. But inside something cracked. He went home and opened his notebook again. The dream was still there, waiting, patient, silent. That night, Ravi did not write news plan. For the first time he asked himself, सपने लिखने से ज़्यादा बदलती है ये काम करने से. Tomorrow had no answer, but the question stayed. Family expectation in a pressure. Morning sunlight entered the house softly. Ravi's mother was already awake. She moved quietly in the kitchen making tea. Ravi watched her from his room. She never complained, but her silence said many things. At breakfast, his father asked a simple question. आज का क्या प्लान है? Ravi smiled. सोच रहा हूँ. He replied. His father nodded. No anger, no lecture. That calm response hurt more than shouting. Ravi knew his parents had dreamed too. They dreamed of his success. They dreamed of his stability. They dreamed of seeing him confident and happy. And Ravi felt the weight of those dreams every day. Relatives started asking questions. अब क्या कर रहे हो? नेक्स्ट प्लान क्या है? Ravi answered with the same line every time. बस चल रहा है. That sentence became a shield. It protected him from question, but not from thought. Late at night, Ravi lay awake. The house was silent, but his mind was noisy. Thought ran fast. अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो, अगर पेरेंट्स डिसअपॉइंट हो गए तो, fear mixed with pressure and pressure became a heavy stones on his chest. Ravi wanted to do something big, but fear whispered. पहले perfect plan बना. Day passed making plans. Week passed but waiting for the perfect time. That perfect time never came. One evening, Ravi heard his parents talking softly, बस खुश रहे. His mother said, हाँ बस अपनी जगह बना ले. His father replied, they were not asking for luxury, they were asking for efforts. That night, Ravi felt tears in his eyes, not because of failure, because of love. A love that believed in him, even when he did not believe in himself. For the first time, Ravi understood something clearly. The pressure was not from family, it was from his own delay, from his own tomorrow. He whispered to himself, मैं कल नहीं कुछ आज करूँगा. It was a small promise, but it was honest. Fear does not shout, it whispers, and Ravi heard that whisper every day. अगर फेल हो गया तो this thought followed him everywhere. While waking up, while eating, while trying to start something new. Fear sat quietly in his mind. Ravi imagined failure clearly. People laughing, related judging, friends moving ahead. He imagined himself standing still. That imagination was so strong. He felt the pain without even trying. So Ravi chose safety. Not starting felt safer than failing. Doing nothing felt better than doing something wrong. Tomorrow became his hiding place. Once Ravi almost applied for an opportunity, he filled the form, checked everything twice, then his hand stopped. What if I'm not good enough? He closed the form, fear won. Ravi told himself, पहले थोड़ा और prepare हो जाता हूँ. But preparation never ended because it was not preparation, it was fear wearing a mask. One evening, Ravi met a man at a tea stall. That man was older. Tired eyes, calm voice, they talk about life. Ravi shared his confusion. The man listened quietly. Then the man said something simple. फेल होने से डर लगता है इसलिए ट्राई नहीं करते. पर एक बात याद रखना, जो ट्राई नहीं करता वो पहले से ही फेल होता है. Those words stay with Ravi. They were not loud, but they were true. That night Ravi sat alone. He realized something important. Failure was not stopping him. Fear of failure was, for the first time, Ravi felt angry, not at the world, but at his own fear. He looked at the door, he looked at the calendar. Tomorrow was written again. Ravi crossed it with a pen and whispered, आज से डर decide नहीं करेगा. Watching other move ahead. Ravi opened his phone one morning. Photo filled the screen. College friends at a new job. Someone posted a promotion. Someone shared a success story. Smiles everywhere. Ravi kept scrolling. Each post felt heavier than the last. He was happy for them. At least this is what he told himself. But inside something hurt. हम साथ ही तो शुरू हुए थे, Ravi thought. Same classrooms, same teachers, same dream. So why did it feel like he was standing still? He closed the phone. Silence returned, but comparison stayed. It sat quietly in his mind, whispering again and again. तू पीछे ही रह गया. Ravi started avoiding people. He stopped attending gatherings. He ignored calls, not because he hated others, but because their progress reminded him of his stray. One evening, Ravi met a childhood friend. That friend spoke about struggles, about late night, about failures. No one posted alone. Ravi listened carefully for the first time. Ravi understood something. Social media show results, not the process. Smile hid sleepless nights. Success hid many silent feelers. Still the feeling remained. Others were moving, and Ravi felt stuck. That night, Ravi sat with a notebook. He did not write dreams. He wrote only one line. मैं किस से रेस कर रहा हूँ? The answer came slowly. He was not racing with others. He was running away from starting. Ravi closed his eyes, took a deep breath. Tomorrow tried to appear again, but Ravi pushed it aside. He whispered softly, सब अपने टाइम पर चलते हैं, पर चलना ज़रूरी है.